My name is Rushabh. Today we are going to see what are the various types of method in the Java programming. So what are exactly the method? Method is a particular set of statements that we define in the class. So there are the class when we define, we have to know what exactly we define the method in the class. So we have to know what exactly the structure of method. So method, we first define the access specifier in the starting of the method. Now after that we define the various is integer float, what is the exact primitive types of that element. After that we define the name of that method, and after that we define the parenthesis. So this is a particular, the body of the method we can call, and this body there is a particular sections of the parenthesis and the name of the method. So we call that both of the statement is a signature of that method. We have to define the class. We can define the class as a public class, private class and protected class. So in this methods, various type of methods, we can also define these three access specifier. We know all about the public, what exactly public class do. It can access the all of the data from various type of the methods when we define. And the public class, public access specifier, it takes the values from only within the class. And now talking about the private, it can be used the specific types of packages. It can use the within the packages. We have the various type of classes like user defined and non with user defined or without user defined classes of the method. We have first defined the void. Void, what is meant by the void? Void means the null. When we define the void without giving the access specifier, it means with the no arguments and no argument in that class. So we define the void, the class name, and we leave the parenthesis blank. So in that particular case, there we provide the value. Suppose we have to do addition in that particular class. So we define the addition as a method name. In that below method, we perform the operation of particular addition. So talking about the public class, when we have to access that particular method in the main class, we define the method in the main class, take it the mind, and that main class, if we want the result of that particular addition, so we define the value to the main class, or we can define directly in that method, so it can print that particular addition operation in that particular method. So with argument method this is, and without with argument if you want to go, then with argument we can directly define the integer value inside the parenthesis. So that is called a with argument method. So this is all about the various type of methods in the Java programming. Thank you so much.